Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I'm going to review PLUS500 CFD broker. In this video I'm going to share with you the advantages and disadvantages that I personally see, fees, if they got any inactivity, withdrawal fees. Also I'm going to read some reviews of other people if you should actually use it. And if you want to actually use PLUS500, because it's like easy broker to use, that's what I think, and they got also a demo account, there is going to be a link down below in the descriptions. It's an affiliate referral link, and if you're going to register through it, maybe you will get some bonus based on the promotion. If they have some promotion, you will get it also with the affiliate link in the description. So if you want to open an account, you can do it that way. Now let's go to the video and what we can actually learn and understand. So a huge advantage about PLUS500 that it's regulated by several international financial authorities. So it's really great it's regulated, because many forex brokers are like made on a small notebook somewhere, and they just want to steal your money. Like PLUS500 is regulated, so that's a huge advantage. Now when we go further, what are some pros and cons is that it's an easy to use site. The account opening is so simple comparing to interactive brokers or other like brokers. This is much simpler, and that's what I like. Customer support is also easy to reach to and communicate with them, and I could easily open my account in like 1-2 hours, the demo, and that's a huge advantage. But what are some negative sides of PLUS500? They get the standard research tools. Fundamentals data are not available. The CFD trading fees are like okay-ish. It's nothing that okay, it's like completely cheap. It's okay. And they have the education tools are like not that great comparing to other competitors. Now when we go further, they have the trading fees that are okay. Inactivity fee charge, they have the inactivity fee. I'm going to share with you straight away what is the inactivity fee. So they have $10 per month after 3 months of inactivity. Inactivity means that you are not going to log into your account. They don't have any deposit fee, they don't have any withdrawal fee. That's perfect. So only just have the thing about the inactivity fees, that they don't have $10 per month. So rather I would recommend like closing the account if you don't want to use it, but if you want to use it, there's only one fee they have. They have also good leverages that you can use. You get also option, I'm going to show you something. You get option if you would come here to menu, professional account. PLUS500 professional account, suitable for experienced traders only, offers high trading leverage and most of the protections offered to retail customers at no additional costs. And you see right here also the leverages that you have, which is also pretty good. Now when we go also further, what we can learn here, so trading fees, they are also like pretty low. So based on like to what you're gonna compare it, you're gonna have the SP500 index fee for, if you would go for 1,000 long position, it's $1.2. Apple CFD fee, that's like pretty expensive. So the stocks fees are pretty high. For like, let's say if you're gonna hold Apple fee, that's about like $6-7 if you would hold for 1,000 long position for a whole week. And so that's another thing. Now when we go further, and if you want to learn something, and I'm going to share with you, so what they're actually offering, that's another thing, right? And I'm going to share with you, and then I'm going to show you the trading platform. So PLUS500 is primarily CFD broker, and they got a huge like selection of CFDs. Also they offer a range of stocks and cryptos that are 14, stocks 1,900, CFDs, currency pairs 70, ETF CFDs 95, commodity CFDs 25. So even when you look on the stocks, they got a huge list here, and that's what I like about it. Now when you look on the research, they get a really good interactive chart, and when you come here I can show it straight away. Then when you come here to trade and to understand it, to even trade, it's nothing that difficult. Also they got user friendly and market analysis. You can do it really well. The only thing about the safety is that they don't hold a banking license. So when you would come here to PLUS500, I can simply click on the popular options, also all popular Euro USD, and then you can simply click buy here. And then you can simply click close at profit, close at loss. So on the right side, you see that, okay, I'm going to remove my camera. So you can see that you can close it at profit, and you always, when you're going to invest, let's say I'm going to invest 10,000 euro, you're going to see the required margin. Close at profit, I can be 0. Let's say 2, and you're going to find the profit here. Close at loss, let's say I'm going to be 0.95 and minus 523 euro. Then you can have like guaranteed stop, the widespread, and then you have advanced. So you can have like trailing stop here. It based on a pips. So 2000 pips, it's 200 euro minus, and then you would have a trailing stop, and you can have also option to buy when the rate is. So in that, it's like pretty straightforward and pretty simple. You can always have information about the euro and USD here, like trader sentiment, live statistics, like 28% sellers, 72% buyers. And that's pretty much it. So my recommendation is definitely try it out. You're gonna have also the demo account. The customer support is great. PLUS500 also trading platform is really easy to use and simple, but it's focusing primarily on CFD. So there is going to be a link. Maybe they're gonna have promotion, maybe they won't. You can try it out. If you're gonna use the affiliate link down below in the description, you're gonna also support this channel. So that's pretty good, and that's pretty much it. Now, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. You know how it goes. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye, guys. See ya.